Hey everybody, so today we are looking at Miele dishwashers and some of the most common errors that you will get on your Miele dishwasher. So this video is talking about the Miele error F69, and the Miele error F69 refers to a circulation pump that is not able to circulate water. So this could be for a couple reasons. There could be something that is blocking the circulation pump, or there could be something that has kind of like dried up in there and is making everything stick together. So what we need to do to fix this is we just want to get in there and open the whole circulating pump mechanism, pour some water in there, maybe like a half gallon or quart of water, and put some rinse aid into it and let it sit for a few minutes. And then after that we can run a program and it should get it going. And if it doesn't, you can actually try this a couple of times. And sometimes you just need to just electronically reset everything to get rid of the fault. So you can go ahead and just turn the machine off, let it sit for 30 seconds, and then turn it back on and run the program again. And hopefully that will fix your problem. And if it did, please go ahead and leave a like under this video. And thanks again for watching, and have a great day.